This is recorded January 16th, 1554. I was looking, I'm like, wow, it's my 6th day here. Time flies when you're having a good time. I started off in Mundak, and Mundak is what I would call a village in Kenya. Like, it was the jungle. Well, I say it's the jungle, but like forest area. It's the mountains. So Mundak is high up. So in the morning, it's cool. At nighttime, it's cool. In the evening, it's like midway warm. So Mundak, I truly experienced what it means to be in tune with nature. If I was to describe Mundak, I would describe it as tranquility. The greenery, the habitation with nature. Like at night, you had the hummingbirds, the crickets, the wind. You saw the sunset. You literally slept with the sunset. You woke up with the sunrise. Like it was just beautiful. It reminded me of the village back home. I don't know, villages. I'm starting to learn I'm a village girl. Like city vibes, I don't know. Waterfalls in Mundak were, I guess because it's in the mountains and in the forest area, the green was just popping. Like I felt surrounded by so much green vegetation. It was, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it, but like I understand why people come to Bali for yoga or meditation, because I'm like, wow, water sports activities. I don't have that much adrenaline rush, I don't desire that much adrenaline rush. I said, okay, maybe for the one time. So I ended up doing that and sliding. It was like not that deep. Well, there was a deep one that I looked down. They're like, oh, you want to try? I looked down. I said, sis is good. I am good. I don't need that. It's all good. I've done what I need to do. Less touristy. I mean by less touristy, I had the whole waterfall to myself. I could take pictures. Like I had time to take pictures. I had time to admire and just sit there and take it in. Like, snap. No phones. Sit there, take it in, breathe the air around, see the waves crash and see the waterfalls form. I think there was only one where there was a few tourists, but like it was in the middle of Mundak and Ubud. It was a good vibe. Like, I don't mind touristy things, but I will not wait in line for like 4 hours to snap a picture. It's not happening. I could do something with that time. And so Mundak was just lovely in that aspect. I would stay in Mundak longer if I was to do this again. Also, like, best way to try local food, because there's just not big restaurants around because it's in the village area. So I got to try dak meat, which that really did live up to it. It actually tastes like chicken. Like I was like, I can't tell the difference. Because sometimes people will be like, oh, it tastes like chicken to get you to eat it. And then you eat it and you're like, we must be eating two different chickens, because how, sway? Make it make sense. Anyways.
Ooh, yeah. Level up, Spain town, we original. In a Jordan, so we stepping out. Yeah, Jaja light shine for my retina. In my guide, all the steps I take. Yeah, guiding the steps I take. Whoa, young but me grateful. Sit high but me lay low. Balancing. Me dep on the road in a quarantine. Me dep on the road in a Balenciaga. New Fenty on my Prada. Yeah, vibing, good vibes inside, yeah. Light up, don't fight it. Fire, ignite it, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm with it. Mama, you give me the prediction, yeah. I have life, I'm blessed, yeah. it's dark, but it's a new day. Might get caught up in a new wave. Chop the track up in a new ways. If it taught me get a few plays, yeah. Spin it and fling it on back. And if I sing it, I win a gold plaque. Yeah, next year platinum that. And them can't lock me up for my dreadlock, yeah. Killing them boomer, yeah. All these blessings where I come my way. Pray to the Father, say come by, yeah. Full up my plate and broke my tray. Yeah. Bum. Oh, yeah. Bum. I'm with it. Bum.
Then I went to Ubud. So it was a town with city vibes. No, a city with town vibes. Let me put it that way. I pretty much walked everywhere. So it's raining. And I'm going back from the walk. And I left my rain jacket in the hotel. So yeah, here we are. We're about to do this 1 hour in the rain, and again the hotel drenched. But we shall make it, I think. Well, we will make it. Who's we? I mean, I will make it. Yep. It'd be like this sometimes. But you know what? We move. We absolutely move. The one in Ubud getting soaked because I left my rain jacket. And I knew I should have brought it, so it's on me. I ended up going to the less visited waterfalls, so there was also rarely anywhere. I think I saw better waterfalls in Mandak, I don't know, I think the less visited waterfalls were much more beautiful. I don't understand how people do this in June and July. How do people come in Bali in the what Western world would call the summer months? Like, I came during rain season, and like I understand why people usually don't come during rain seasons because it's a hit or miss, like humidity. Like, it wasn't even that, like, it's rainy season and I wasn't even hot. Like, you can feel hot. Like in Texas, you're hot, you walk out, you feel the sun just sharpen you, and you're like, nope, going back inside to a sea. I wasn't even hot. I was just sweating. I am taking a bath in my own sweat.
My guy pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through pool water, eating like I'm underworld. Had my tattoos in Shibuya, police think I'm of the underworld. 12 treat a nigga like he 12. How you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I am the big man?
But this time I remember to bring my rain jacket. So update, I learned my lesson. Rain jacket. Anyways. And today I took a speedboat to Nusa Penida, and today is the day like I've been relaxing this whole time in the trip, but like just staying in my hotel. I walked around to like get food, but stayed at the hotel. My hotel is right by the beach, so sat there and looked and read my book, watched videos, took a nap halfway through Bali, and it's given. This was what hot girl summer was supposed to be, but Texas was too hot. The AC was calling my name. So I'm gonna continue enjoying this greenery because it's everywhere and it's beautiful. I'm attracting mosquitoes like it's nothing. The repellent is in the most. So, it's about to start spraying my own clothes because at this point, do both. But won't let that get to me. I will continue having this. But it's been fun and can't wait to live at the present for the rest of the days in Bali.
ya, free up ya. Balenciaga for me structure. Good them car bush get deduct ya. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Fiesta, forever, party, whenever, when we're together. Yeah, coming from the West Indies, and you know, say we giving them the best indeed. Anywhere we there, we do a flex pan street, and the style what we do, no matter red stampede. And no interview, no bother question me, and you try never look in my direction, G. New bank crab and no bridge expanded. Oh, coming from the second street, yeah. If you know me, I'm having the time of my life. Don't you slow me down. Beg you pardon me. I wanna just party. Yeah. I wanna just I wanna just party. Yeah. I wanna just party. Yeah. Patek for my wrist. Yeah. Roots and chalice for the mix. Matter fuck, put some passion in a this. I touch turn it up just a little bit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Regular me full up the Benz and top it up. What is up? Gas it up. Flow like aqueduct. New faffy on the ends and cottage up. Jack still got it up. Wrapped and package up. Yeah, coming from the West Indies.
She can say in her voice, in her way, that she love me. With her eyes, with her smile, with her belt, with her hands, with her money. I am the thesis of her prayers. Her nieces and her nephews are just pieces of the layers. Only one she love as much as me is Jesus Christ and Taylor. I got a feature song singing for my grandma. You sing it too, but your grandma ain't my grandma. Mine's is handmade, pan-fried, sun-dried, southside, and beat the devil by a landslide. Praying with her hands tied. President of my fan club, Santa. Something told me I should bring my money.
Gotta move it slowly, taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for the whole week. I've been praying for you, you're my Sunday candy.
You gotta move
slowly, taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for this whole week. I've been waiting for you, you're my Sunday candy. Come on in this house. It's gonna rain, rain down time. It's gonna rain. You better come on in this house. It's gonna rain, rain down time. It's gonna rain.
I come to church for the candy, your peppermints is the truth. I'm pessimistic on Monday, if I had tweaked and missed you. You look so good with the hat on, had to match with the shoes. Came in dressed in the satin, I came and sat in your pew. I come to Christmas for dinner, 50 rolls on my plate. Hella holes in my stocking, holding your pockets in place. I like my love with the budget, I like my hugs with a scent. You smell like light gas while the electricity rent. You sound like why the gospel choir got so tired. Singing this praise on a daily basis, so I gotta try it. You my dream catcher, dream team captain. Matter of fact, I ain't seen you in a minute. Let me take my butt to church.
You better come on in this house.
Come on in this house.
It's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain.
Rain down time.
Rain down.
It's gonna
It's gonna rain.
You better come on in this
Come
house.
on in this house.
It's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain.
Rain down time.
Rain down.
It's gonna rain. You gotta move it slowly, taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for the whole week. I've been praying for you, you're my Sunday candy. You
Gotta move slowly,
taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for this whole week. I've been praying for you, you're my Sunday candy.
Recording is taken January 20th, 2021. It is currently raining. Out of all my days in Bali, today is the day that it rained the whole day from morning till now, which is the expectant for monsoon season. My days in Cinnamon have been beautiful. Uh, I said cinnamon is different. I mean, all the places I've been in Bali have been different in their own way. But cinnamon, I was expecting more village. I guess just because again it's not known. But now that I'm here, I think it has gotten a little attention as time has gone by. Because it was giving village trying to be city vibes.
Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any night, any day. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning.
Also in Cinnamon, I've been more hands-on. I took a cooking class, which was amazing. Did a spontaneous water bath. It's just something about spontaneous stuff, like something you just have not in your schedule.
Wanna cry, wanna laugh, wanna give all I have. I'm so grateful. I can fight through the pain, 'cause I fight in your name. You're my shelter. I'm so grateful for you. For my house, for my...
This recording is taken January 21st, 7:14 a.m. All glory to God. I caught the sunrise. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Guys. What? the excitement, the joy. Oh man. But I no words.
Home for my chair, for your throne, for your love, for your mercy and grace. For a job or a dub or a odd or a slug or a bone or whatever you say. Hop in the whip and turn the heat up. Turn the seat hotter than a teacup. Please tell the car to turn the beat up. Evergreen Plaza had the Black Santa. Coconuts across the street, get my CDs up. Shout out Michi, Peanut, La Tiara. Used to buy my snow cones, pay ya back tomorrow. Every time I go home, hear a bunch of sorrows. Grass is always modded at the other party. Drive down the Blue Island for that flavor, where they ain't scared to say the name of the Savior. We got some healing, got some blessings, got some favors. We got some gifts, we on the list for good behavior.
Give you whatever you want. Ain't that what the family for? All I know, all I want, be around the family more. Be there whenever you want. You know what the family for. All I want, be around the family more.
My cousin's not soft, one skipping frost off. One finally grew up, cut the block off, and cut his locks off. One of them passing all her classes, not past the hot sauce. Never become one of those knockoffs that rather not talk. I know I look just like my auntie, love my auntie.
Yeah, Bali didn't change me. You know, it didn't give me that 8K love energy. Not that that's what I was coming here for, but it gave what it needed to give.